everybody, welcome back. We are here with another sip and rip, where I sip and I rip. Cheers, everybody. Little midday mix. Getting ready for the weekend. That's right, we're here with another booster bundle battle. Booster bundle battle between Mega Evolution and the Mega Evolution Phantasmal Flames. That's right, Mega Evolution dueling it out. And we are ready for round number 3. That's right, we are in round number 3. In round 1, we got this bad boy for Phantasmal Flames, and we thought Mega Evolution was going to bounce back and tie it with this guy. So we got this guy also from Mega Evolution in round 2, but then we pulled this guy. All right, so because we pulled this guy, Phantasmal Flames now has a 2-0 lead on Mega Evolution. Let's go look at those chase cards. Take a look at those chase cards for Mega Evolution. That's right, those chase cards, Mega Evolution chase cards. And now let's take a look at these chase cards for Phantasmal Flames. Phantasmal Flames, fantastic. Not a lot of people like that set though right now. I think it's got some mixed reviews, but Mega Evolution doesn't look too bad. All right, so here we go. Ooh, let's get this drink first. Cheers, everybody. Cheers, cheers, cheers. Here we go. Mega Evolution. Here we go, y'all. Okay. Here we go. And there we went. Okay, Phantasmal Flames. What you got today? So here we go. Okay, here we go, y'all. Okay, so let's see here. Guess because of this guy, we're gonna go ahead and give it to Phantasmal Flames, y'all. Phantasmal Flames has now taken a 3-0 lead. That's right, 3-0 lead. Cheers, everybody. We'll see y'all soon.